Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be deep diving into a leader in the decentralized finance space. This company is called DeFi Tech and I think you're really going to like them. We're going to look at their innovative strategies, financial achievements, global impact and much more. Big thanks to DeFi Tech for sponsoring this video. Let's jump into this. So what exactly is DeFi Tech? Well, DeFi Tech essentially utilizes something called TradFi, which allows exposure to digital assets and Web3, so basically crypto, right? This allows institutional grade exposure to digital assets through something called an ETP. An ETP is basically an exchange traded product. So through a broker or through an exchange, you could access these guys and invest with them, invest with their fund to make money. Now, these guys are not on the small time. As we'll see in a minute, they've been featured on CNN. They've got really good news and PR. They've generated over 93 million in revenue, and that's a testament to their effective strategies and innovative approach to decentralized finance. So as you can see in PR Newswire, right, a very reputable news source, these guys generated 84 million in Q2, right? That's gone up to 93 million, obviously because we're in Q3, with low risk arbitrage trades marking robust starts for this new venture, right? So it's a fairly new company, but they're doing incredibly well. And they're even competing with people like Coinbase at this point. So if we scroll down to what these guys actually do, we can see Valour Asset Management offering exchange-traded products, ETPs, for simplified and secure access to digital assets. DeFi Ventures backing early-stage ventures and high-potential projects in the DeFi space. And DeFi Infrastructure running nodes for DeFi protocols and supporting decentralized networks. So running a node for a crypto project or a protocol is a great way of supporting that protocol, and it usually makes money for the people involved with it. So a fund like this, attacking any kind of model in this way, will generally make money when we're talking about tens of millions of dollars. So just elaborating on how big these guys actually are, guys, if we do scroll down here, we can see they've got over 500 million in assets under management. Their stock is currently worth over 300 million in terms of company value. And we talked about that 93 million they've made from their ventures earlier. Well, they've also made another 59 million in low risk arbitrage trades. What this means is when you are trading on an exchange, what a lot of market makers and funds like to do is they like to make micro trades, which is very high frequency trades that essentially make money in very small amounts. So lots of trades, lots of very small trades that make profit, but they make so many of these trades that they make and generate over 59 million from that. And as well as that, this company have just announced a stock buyback program, which will help their investors' confidence in their product. Now, in terms of publicity, this stock is everywhere, right? So if we go to Pompliano, you probably know Pompliano. If I just give you a brief explanation on who he is, okay, he's got over 500,000 subscribers. He is basically the voice of finance and crypto at the moment. He gets so many views, not just on his crypto channel, but on his Substack as well, right? And in this recent Substack post, he was talking about the SON conference. The SON conference here is essentially a conference where people pitch stocks and investment opportunities. Well, he said in this letter, he's essentially said his pick would be DeFi Technologies or DeFi Tech, right? And the reason for that is because of everything we've already talked about, right? The profit they're making, the moves they're making in the market. These guys are really solid right now, and it's definitely worth checking them out in the description. Okay, they've also been mentioned on CNBC, right? CNBC, if you don't know, they get hundreds of millions of views. Actually, they get 355 million people viewing their content per month. Okay, so when you're seeing this being reported by big mainstream news outlets, right? So you can see here, right? We've got DeFi Tech and their logo right here in this video, alongside Coinbase, alongside Upstart, big companies here. So yes, this is definitely something you should keep on your radar, and this is definitely something that is essentially destined to be the next major unicorn in crypto and investing. Now, not only are these guys in the media everywhere, but they're also scaling their operations rapidly. Okay, so they're planning on doing an ETP for ICP, right? Internet Computer Protocol. And if you don't know what this is, it's a very revolutionary and innovative product. Okay, essentially they're trying to reinvent computing, but on the blockchain. So if everything's on the blockchain, there's a lot more transparent. You guys know the drill with that, decentralization. Okay, but to have an ICP for this would be fantastic for institutional investors to really bring more money into crypto and scale crypto as a whole. But not only that, they're also acquiring businesses. They've acquired Solana trading systems, okay, so to increase their profit and increase their trading, but they've also acquired reflexivity research, and this is going to help them research how to bridge traditional finance into the digital asset world through their crypto native research. And making big acquisitions like this for a company that is trying to compete with big names in the space is what you really want to see from someone that's got a forward facing stock at the front of the crypto sphere. And seeing these big acquisitions is really what you want to see from a company like this that's fairly new, doing incredibly well, and reinvesting their profits into scaling their operations. This is how you create a big name in the space, not just for the institutional and stock market, but in the crypto space as well. So whether you're an investor, a crypto enthusiast, or just curious about the future of decentralized finance, DeFi Tech is definitely a company to watch. Their innovative products, strategic expansions, and strong leadership make them a leader in the DeFi space. Thanks again to DeFi Tech for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check them out for exciting developments in decentralized finance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more updates, and always leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. That's it from me, and I will see you guys in the next video.